Guys, do you think this will be okay?
Yes.
And what if they find out that we asked ChatGPT to do our literature review?
Exactly. I told you we should start it earlier, but we delayed. Ran out of time and now this.
Okay, don't blame each other, okay? Just present it and hope for the best. I know you can do it. So, this is yours. And here.
Okay, panelists, this is our literature review. Yours.
This doesn't sound like your own writing. Did you know Evan fact check this? Your methodology. Did you use AI?
This where we use ChatGPT and copy it.
That's the problem. If you really only on the GPT without checking your wrong information. Not admitting is dishonest. You need to make your own work and include your methodology.
Don't worry, we'll guide you. First, use ChatGPT as a guide, not as a shortcut. Check, revise, and be honest about using it.
How we can get it, we just copy and analyze and explain.
And we did up your methodology so the panel sees how we can use it. Just understand and you will know the right way. Good, I'm glad you've learned. AI can support you. But you still must do the real work to ensure